Surah AL-ADIYATE, the Courser. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. By the racers, panting, and the producers of sparks when striking, and the chargers at dawn, stirring up thereby clouds of dust, arriving thereby in the center collectively. Indeed, mankind to his Lord is ungrateful, and indeed he is to that a witness. And indeed he is, in love of wealth, intense. But does he not know that when the contents of the graves are scattered, and that within the breasts is obtained, indeed their Lord with them that day is fully acquainted?